Here's the unboxing of Noriko Sky in Sandalwood Highlight. Classic Noriko design. This is a legacy style. It's been out for a long time. One of the most popular styles by Noriko. And then here's a look at the inside of the cap. This is a classic traditional cap by Noriko. You've got that closed rose lace top, lots of permatease, a closed ear tab, an extended nape with strap style adjusters, lots of wefting here. The typical fit on these legacy Noriko styles is more average to petite average, although these tend to stretch out over time. First application, wow, lots of hair everywhere. That's because this is a short, shaggy style. So it fits me beautifully right out of the box without making any adjustments. I don't think I'm going to have to make any adjustments for my petite average circumference. This is exactly what I expected with a classic Noriko. Have you noticed that most Noriko styles are shag styles? That's kind of their thing. A lot of their legacy styles and even their more modern ones tend to be shaggy with lots and lots of layering, and there's a reason for that, I think, and that's because layering is so flattering to all ages and all face shapes. So before we get into the specs and the color, I just want to talk a little bit about the value of this wig style. At Wig Studio One, it's an automatic 30% off, and that will bring that price down just under $150 as of the date of this filming. So that's a wonderful price. And it's just a true shake and go kind of style. It's an everyday kind of style. You can mix and match with other Noriko style. It's super versatile, very flattering. It comes in 42 colors. So there's a lot of options there as well. And it comes in a large size cap. So ladies, if you're out there and your classic Noriko just doesn't fit because it's too petite, they do offer a large in this style. That tells me it's really popular, or they wouldn't offer the different sizing options. Go below the video, expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link to this style at Wig Studio One. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site where you can explore all 42 colors and the pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com. You can see where that front layer is about 5 inches. And then it kind of tapers down into a 5 to 6 inch side piece. So it just comes in to frame the face beautifully. It stays out of the eyes. And you've seen that it's a traditional cap. You can part this in any direction. There's about a 5 to 6 inch crown piece here and a 3.5 inch nape. So many of you out there have a lower hairline in the back, and it's hard to find short styles to give you some good coverage, but 3.5 inches I feel like is really nice coverage back there. It should cover up all natural hairlines in the back. And you can just pick and fluff these layers to any kind of customized voluminous look that you want. You can also use the heat of your hand to go in and just smooth it down in the areas that you like. This has a ton of permatease. This is classic Noriko. They use permatease in every square inch of their traditional caps. That's to cover the wefting, but also give it lift and to give it sustainable volume throughout your day. So you don't have to worry about re-teasing or refluffing. It is going to stay in this lifted look. Now, if you want to just use the heat of your hand, get up under the fiber and sort of press on that permatease, you can actually shrink the profile just slightly. Again, you're not shrinking the fiber, you're just shrinking that profile by compressing that permatease. And get up underneath these layers, because if you don't, you'll have that smashed down look. That is not exceptionally flattering, is it? This style is really lightweight. I think it weighs around 3 ounces. But let's talk about this color. I wanted to select a rooted color because I feel like the rooting helps disguise the permatease. And I have a video out there on how to disguise permatease if that is bothersome to you. We need to be able to work with our permatease because the Permatease wigs offer so much to our wig collection, and typically at more affordable prices if we're going with a traditional or an open cap style with no monofilament. This Sandalwood highlight is a combination of a dark gold blonde with some platinum. So it's a very warm, medium mix, I would say. And depending on how much platinum you see, it depends on how light and bright it is. I'll show you a look at this in outdoor light, just because studio lighting can sometimes pick up on those highlights and make it look a little brighter than it actually is. I don't know if you can, but I cannot see down into the Permatease layer. And I noticed that on some Noriko, there's a lot of Permatease right there at just below the temple that kind of pushes out on the glasses arms. I'm not really noticing that on this style, but again, it all depends on the thickness of your glasses arms and how well this wig fits you, where it falls on and above your ear. But on me, glasses work beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and just flirt with these layers, move this around, get you really familiar with how it moves and reacts, and what the potential of this little shaggy style is. We'll see you soon right here at TAZS's Wig Closet.